Most people think recovery means stopping, doing nothing, resting, sleeping, disconnecting. But recovery is not the absence of activity. It is the restoration of stability. This is Nexora Intelligence, exploring the architecture of the human system, from regulation to cognition to executive control. System architecture for life. A system under chronic stress does not recover automatically. Because stress changes baseline function, the nervous system remains activated, cognition remains narrowed, and even during rest, the system may still be operating under load. This is why many people rest without actually recovering. The body pauses, but the system never fully resets. Real recovery begins with reducing activation, lowering internal noise, creating conditions where the nervous system no longer perceives continuous threat. Without this, recovery remains incomplete. Most people attempt recovery from the top down. They force routines, force productivity, force motivation. But recovery cannot be forced because the system interprets force itself as additional pressure. This creates a contradiction. You try harder to recover, and the effort delays restoration further. True recovery is bottom-up. It begins with regulation. Breathing slows. Cognitive load decreases. Attention stabilizes. The system gradually returns toward baseline. And only then does clarity begin to rebuild. Recovery is not weakness, it is recalibration. The restoration of capacity. Because without recovery, performance becomes unsustainable. Clarity weakens. Decisions degrade, behavior destabilizes, and eventually, the system protects itself by shutting down output. This is why recovery is not optional. It is structural maintenance. The human system was never designed for continuous activation. It was designed for cycles: stress, recovery, output, reset. Without recovery, the cycle breaks. And when the cycle breaks, stability declines. This is why high performance is not built on constant pressure. It is built on intelligent recovery, the ability to restore stability before deterioration compounds. Recovery is not passive, it is strategic. It protects cognition, preserves decision-making, and sustains long-term capacity. In the next episode, we explore attention fragmentation, why modern life is training the brain to lose focus, and why attention may be your most valuable cognitive resource. Stability precedes clarity. Clarity precedes strategy. Strategy shapes behavior. This has been Nexora Intelligence, system architecture for life. Subscribe to follow the full Nexora framework, powered by ZapZest Corp.